Hi, English 102 students. My name is Jackie, and I'm the library director here at Walla Walla Community College. And as you probably know, myself and two of our other faculty librarians, Jen Stutzman and John Williams, are going to be meeting with you next week in class. We did have this pre-assignment that we wanted to have you take a look at first. And this assignment is we wanted you to watch a video kind of about talking about research and really the research process. As you've really come across, writing a course is a process. I'm sure that's been reiterated and drilled into your heads many times by instructors. And you've either probably also been told or experienced that research is always also a process. So we wanted you to take a look at one of these videos. We have a couple to choose from, and respond to our prompting questions. Think about your own experiences, but then also you'll see we've set up a discussion board, and we're hoping you can respond to at least two of your classmates. Maybe pick somebody who chose a video different than yours. Might be interesting, but really to share your experiences as a researcher, I think can be really enlightening. So in the meantime, please reach out to us if you have any questions now before class, or certainly you'll meet us next week, and we'll also hopefully meet with you and follow up to help you guide you through this research process for your paper. Anyway, looking forward to seeing you next week, and enjoy. Take care.